Just like the real thing. Whoa, what's happening? Ah! What's going on?
There's nothing here either? I'm famished.
Sam, was that you?
Aha!
Wow, you must be really hungry. Here, I can share my white chocolate bar with you.
Ew! What a yucky thing to eat.
Right, you don't like it. Well, I think I know what to do. How about a green apple? Try it, Sammy.
Yum! That apple was so good, Sue. Let's make more paper food. How about an ice cream?
Great, I think we can do that. And you've got just what we need.
Hey! That was my new chef's hat. Now I guess I'll have to wear the old sad one.
Oh, don't be upset. It's for a great cause. And this is going to be a super colorful ice cream cup.
Then I'll get to cooking. Yay! Let's see how you'd like my signature moves.
Ooh, I'm really looking forward to that. So, how's the ice cream making going?
Yeah, about that. I'm such a good chef that I accidentally made croissants.
But we're making ice cream, Chef. Don't worry, I've got your back. Uh-huh. That should do it.
Can you help me a little bit more, please?
Okay.
And now, make an ice cream ball.
All right, here it goes. Well, what do you say, Chef?
I say that I also made some ice cream balls. Ouch!
I've got you!
Ooh, thanks!
Now this goes here. Uh-huh, very well. Let's add a few sprinkles on top. And a tiny signature decoration. Wow, it's beautiful. This ice cream looks so tasty and sweet. Here, you can try it, Sammy.
Smells good.
Sam, if you don't like it, can you at least not throw it around?
Who said I didn't like it? I just wanted to eat the main course before dessert.
You're right. How about a barbecue?
I wouldn't say no to that.
First, we need to color it.
Hold on, I've got everything here. Ouch! Oopsie, I just can't wait to try this yumminess. Here you go.
No, something's not right. That's better.
Nice. Faster, Susie!
Don't rush me. Better take care of your chief business, okay?
Fine. But please, hurry up!
Okay. Well, that's better, isn't it? Let's cut it out. Hey, what's wrong? Why doesn't my magic cut work?
Need a little help?
Yes, please. Nothing's working. Our barbecue's in danger.
Oh! Don't panic. I got this. I will defeat that barbecue!
Would you please be careful?
Victory is mine!
And I have to deal with the rest, as always.
Ugh. It tastes weird. I don't like it.
It's not cooked yet. We don't even have the grill ready.
I've built a fire, but it doesn't work without the grid.
That's not a problem, see?
Does that mean we can start cooking?
Yup, we have everything ready.
Let's use Chef Sam's special barbecue seasoning mix with extra candy in it.
The food is ready. What do you say, Sammy?
Yum. A little sweet, a little salty. I love it. Hey, Belly, are you full? Oh, I guess not.
How about a snack? A healthy one.
Yeah, I'd like some fruit. Sue, I want one of these and one of those. Please.
Sammy, could you tell me what fruits exactly are these?
If only I could remember. Oh, idea!
Oh, that's a kiwi!
Right! And the second one is... Hey, what's wrong? Oh, that's right. I need another color. What is this fruit, Sue?
That's a dragon fruit! Now I see. Let's cut them into slices.
Gimme! I want some!
It's not ready yet. Just wait till I'm done, okay?
I can't wait! I want fruit! Huh? What's this? Shiny! Is that an earring? Looks pretty on me!
Ooh, a magnet. Oops, are you okay, Sammy? It's just a magnet. We need this for the craft.
I'm fine. I am the chief after all.
Okay, whatever you say. The secret is not to let anyone see the magnet. Let's cover it up even better with markers.
Okay, now give it to me, Sue.
No, I'm not done yet.
Yay! Oh, that's even better. More for me. Whoa, what? That's so cool.
See, that's why I asked you to wait a bit.
Wait, let me make the dragon fruit. Here, look.
Wow, that came out great. Here's the knife.
And now I'm going to show you how to properly slice fruit.
Go ahead, Chief.
Done. Finally. Do we have anything to drink? These fruits are so sweet.
Well, we can always make the drink ourselves.
Oh, would that be a grape soda? Yay! My favorite.
I love it too. I hope it turns out delicious. The packaging is coming out pretty good so far.
Watch out! Grapes are coming!
What are you gonna do with that?
Ha! Soda, of course! There comes a time in every chief's life when he has to squeeze... Whoopsie. You didn't see that! Here you go, grape soda. Yum!
Oh, wow. I didn't know that's the way to make soda. Ha.
Oh, I was hoping it wouldn't come to this, but... Take it, before I change my mind. It's my favorite...
Oh, don't worry, Sammy. I promise to take good care of it. I think it should be attached. Here!
All right, now I'll just put this over here. Huh? Sue, a little help? Thank you.
Here's a little decoration from my sticker collection.
Huh? Who turned out the lights? Sue, is that you?
Wow, it turned out really great. And it feels nice to the touch, too. Weren't you thirsty, Sammy? There you go.
It's cold. I need to eat something hot now.
How about a 3-course dinner?
Sounds good to me. The most important thing in cooking is focus. Not many people can reach the level I did. Uh-oh. And of course, it's important to be able to enjoy failures.
It smells delicious. So, what are you cooking?
This, although it's not done yet.
I will help! Cooking together will be much faster. And snap! That's it!
We need to cut the fish into bite-sized pieces. To make it easier to eat it, you know?
Yeah, let me just add a couple of finishing touches. This will make our craft look better.
I've been working on the most yummy part. I hope it turned out well.
I think you nailed it, Sam. And this piece goes over here.
Why, thank you for the high praise. I always do my best.
And I had time to make something that goes with the fish.
It smells amazing, Sue. And here's some rice by my aunt's recipe. Okay, I have my trusty spoon. Time to try it all. Just like my mama used to make it. I need to take a nap.
Hey, Sammy, hold on!
Huh?
What dish was your favorite?
I'm gonna rate them all. Ice cream, 10. Barbecue, 10. Fruit, 10. A bottle of grape soda, 10. And the fish dish, 10. Everything has 10 points. I guess we're great cooks, dear Susie.
Yep, and I have a present for you.
Huh?
Here, I'm returning your Chiefs hat.
No way. Sue, you're the best.
No, you're the best. Friends, thanks for being with us. See you in the new videos. Bye.
See you soon, people.